Greetings pre-K teachers! So in this video we're going to talk about adjusting the module availability dates. So by now you all are aware that pre-K will be utilizing a choice board for the first 2 weeks of school, and then we'll start the Canvas course content on September the 14th. So with that in mind, we need to change the availability date so that our students can access the content that we want them to have on September the 14th instead of on August the 31st. So I'm going to kind of walk you guys through that process today on how to change the module availability date. Okay, so you're going to go into your course. Should be the course that you created, and in modules, for each day you see the 3 dots over here, and that is, kind of like a set of tools. So once your page populates, so you'll see all the green check marks if it's published, the content is published. So then we're going to click the 3 dots. We're going to click edit. Okay, so this is day 1. Okay, so yours may look like this. It may say, it's not locked. Give you the option to lock it until, or yours may be locked, but it may be reflective of that August 31st start date. Okay. So whatever the case may be, we want you to make sure that your day 1 will be locked until September the 14th. So you're going to change that date there, lock until September the 14th, and then you're going to hit update. And one way you can check that is to look here. When your module is expanded, it will show the unlock date. And this is really just to keep our children paced this year, so that they're working on the proper content on the right day, in line with everyone else. So then we'll do another example. Click the 3 dots, select edit. Make sure that lock until is red. Yours may look like this. It may be September the 1st. Okay, because that was our original selection for day 2. So now we want it to indicate that it will unlock on September the 15th, and select update. Once again, you can check that by expanding your module day and looking right below it. It will tell you when they unlock. The only caution that I will give is in October, there is a student and staff holiday on October the 12th. So make sure that as you are changing these dates that you're aware of that, and change them according to the school calendar. All right, thank you guys. Let me know if you have any questions.